Hello YouTube, happy the second anniversary of my first full-length animated film, Woody Woodpecker Racing. This movie was out on July 5th, 2015, and that was my first movie with crossover, one of your favorite characters, and very lovable for the whole entire family. And also, I included I make my own characters and I give them a name of the spies and the evil pirates. Spies who have to save the entire world. And Woody the Woodpecker wants to win a cake for the winning prize after the last race at London. Well, let me know in the comments, and I hope my next movie will have to come is Grand Spy Auto 2 Attack at Wawanakwa. This is MinionFan1024's signing off, and happy the second anniversary of this my first full-length feature, and peace.